Did you know that achieving radiant skin isn't just about skincare? It's also about what you eat. The connection between diet and skin health is more powerful than most people realize. In fact, certain foods can work their magic not just over time, but even overnight, helping you wake up with a more refreshed, glowing complexion. In this video, we're revealing surprising foods that nourish your skin while you sleep. Some of these ingredients are often overlooked in the beauty world, yet they contain powerful vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that combat dryness, reduce inflammation, and enhance your skin's natural glow. From the humble avocado to the exotic goji berry, you don't need to overhaul your entire diet to see results. Just a few simple additions to your evening routine can make a world of difference. So, if you're ready to unlock the secret to overnight skin transformation, stay with me, because these foods might just change the way you wake up to glowing, healthy skin. Avocados are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. These creamy green fruits are packed with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are essential for maintaining skin hydration. In addition to their rich fat content, avocados are loaded with vitamins E and C, both of which play crucial roles in skin health. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from oxidative stress, while vitamin C is vital for collagen production, contributing to skin elasticity and firmness. The combination of healthy fats and these essential vitamins makes avocados a fantastic choice for nourishing your skin. When you incorporate avocados into your diet, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're also giving your skin the moisture it craves. This hydration helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your complexion looking plump and youthful. Now, you might be wondering how to easily add avocados to your meals. One simple and delicious way is to whip up an avocado toast. Just mash half an avocado on a slice of whole grain bread, sprinkle with a pinch of salt, and add a squeeze of lemon juice for an extra zing. You can also top it with sliced tomatoes or a poached egg for added nutrients. By making avocados a regular part of your diet, you'll not only enjoy their rich flavor, but also reap the skin-loving benefits they offer. So, why not indulge in this delightful fruit and give your skin the nourishment it deserves? When you think of skin health, dark chocolate might not be the first food that comes to mind, but it should be. This delicious treat is rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that can significantly improve your skin's texture and overall appearance. Flavonoids help protect the skin from harmful UV rays, enhance blood flow, and promote hydration, all of which contribute to a smoother and more radiant complexion. To reap the maximum benefits, it's essential to choose dark chocolate with a high cocoa content. Aim for at least 70% cocoa or higher. The higher the cocoa percentage, the more flavonoids and antioxidants you'll get, making it a powerhouse for skin health. Not only does dark chocolate help combat free radicals that can lead to premature aging, but it also supports collagen production, which is vital for maintaining skin elasticity. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate this indulgent treat into your routine. A simple way to enjoy dark chocolate is to savor a small square or two as an afternoon snack. Pair it with a handful of nuts or fresh berries for an added boost of nutrients. You can also melt dark chocolate and drizzle it over fruit for a decadent dessert that's both satisfying and skin-friendly. So, the next time you're craving something sweet, reach for dark chocolate. Not only will you satisfy your sweet tooth, but you'll also be doing your skin a favor. Treat yourself to this delightful snack and enjoy the skin-loving benefits it brings. Sweet potatoes are not just a delicious side dish. They are also a powerhouse for skin health. One of the standout features of sweet potatoes is their high beta-carotene content, which is a precursor to vitamin A. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin by promoting cell turnover and helping to repair damaged skin. Beta-carotene also acts as a natural sunblock, protecting your skin from harmful UV rays and reducing the risk of sunburn. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can help combat dryness and promote a radiant glow. The antioxidants found in sweet potatoes work to neutralize free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. By keeping your skin hydrated and nourished, sweet potatoes can help you achieve that coveted dewy complexion. Now, you might be wondering how to prepare sweet potatoes in a way that's both simple and appealing. One quick and easy method is to roast them. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Cut sweet potatoes into wedges or cubes, toss them in a little olive oil, and season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs or spices. Spread them out on a baking sheet and roast for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until they are tender and slightly caramelized. Not only will you enjoy the delicious flavor of roasted sweet potatoes, but you'll also be treating your skin to a wealth of nutrients. So, make sweet potatoes a regular part of your meals and watch your skin transform into a healthier, more vibrant version of itself. Green tea is often celebrated for its numerous health benefits, but did you know it can also work wonders for your skin? Packed with powerful antioxidants known as catechins, green tea has remarkable anti-inflammatory properties that can help rejuvenate your skin from within. These antioxidants combat free radicals, which are responsible for skin aging and damage, promoting a clearer and more youthful complexion. Drinking green tea regularly can significantly enhance your skin clarity. The anti-inflammatory effects of green tea can help reduce redness and irritation, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Additionally, the polyphenols in green tea can help regulate oil production, further contributing to a balanced and healthy complexion. By incorporating green tea into your daily routine, you're not just hydrating your body, you're also giving your skin the support it needs to thrive. If you're looking for a refreshing way to enjoy green tea, consider making a delicious iced green tea. Simply brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Pour it over ice and add a splash of fresh lemon juice for a zesty twist. You can also sweeten it with a touch of honey or add fresh mint leaves for an extra burst of flavor. This invigorating drink is perfect for warm days and can easily become a staple in your hydration routine. So, sip on green tea regularly and watch as your skin transforms, revealing a clearer, more radiant glow that reflects your inner health. Salmon is not just a delicious fish, it's also a powerhouse for skin health, thanks to its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and combating dryness, making them vital for maintaining a healthy complexion. Omega-3s help to strengthen the skin's barrier, locking in moisture and keeping your skin hydrated and supple. This is particularly beneficial for those who struggle with dry or irritated skin, as omega-3s can help soothe and calm inflammation. Including fatty fish like salmon in your balanced diet is essential for overall health, but it's especially important for your skin. Regular consumption of omega-3 rich foods can lead to improved skin elasticity and a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, the antioxidants found in salmon, such as astaxanthin, further enhance its skin-loving properties by protecting against oxidative stress. If you're looking for a quick and healthy way to prepare salmon, try baking it with a simple seasoning. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Place a salmon fillet on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle it with olive oil and season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. You can also add herbs like dill or parsley for extra flavor. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon flakes easily with a fork. This easy recipe not only makes for a delicious meal, but also provides your skin with the nourishing benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. Enjoy salmon regularly and watch your skin glow with health. In this video, we've explored some surprising foods that can significantly enhance your skin health overnight. First up, we discussed avocados, which are rich in healthy fats and vitamins that nourish and hydrate the skin, promoting elasticity and a youthful glow. Next, we highlighted dark chocolate, packed with flavonoids that improve skin texture and protect against aging. Then, we turned our attention to sweet potatoes, loaded with beta-carotene, which combats dryness and helps achieve a radiant complexion. We also delved into the benefits of green tea, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and promotes skin clarity. Finally, we wrapped up with salmon, an omega-3 rich fish that reduces inflammation and dryness, ensuring your skin stays hydrated and healthy. Incorporating these foods into your diet can lead to noticeable improvements in your skin's appearance and overall health. Whether you enjoy them as snacks, main dishes, or refreshing beverages, each of these foods offers unique benefits that can transform your skin from the inside out. So why not give them a try? Start adding these skin-loving foods to your meals and witness the positive changes for yourself. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on health and wellness. Also, give us a thumbs up and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Together, let's embark on a journey to healthier, more radiant skin.